right, so this is a salad chopper, stainless steel, dishwasher safe for slicing, mincing, chopping herbs, onions, lettuce, garlic, and vegetables. Reliably made with highest quality food grade stainless steel, 2 class sharp blades, multi-purpose, easy cleanup and dishwasher safe, salad chopper over here too. So this is actually the same on each side as well. And in the back, salad chopper, stainless steel, dishwasher safe. All right, yeah, the same picture there. Okay, so let's just open this up. So that's literally it for the box. And so this is the salad chopper. Definitely a new item for me. I'm not much of a salad eater, but my wife is. And you can see here we got some little protection from these blades, which those do feel actually pretty sharp. So nice little rubber protection. I don't know if that's something we should hold on to for like storing this thing or what. Maybe that'd be a good idea. Got a little SamShow logo there, SamShow, and nothing on this side. Put this one back on. Just feel better holding it with that on there, you know? I think I will keep these for storage. So you can see, you'll be able to put your hand through kind of like this, and then you've got, you know, imagine you a delicious bowl of salad, and you're able to just crush the salad and cut it all up with this tool. So that's essentially what you would really use this for. Definitely something good for somebody who cuts a lot of salads, and maybe a great gift idea for something that people may need in their kitchen. So the SamShow salad chopper unboxing.